Whether it be 25 days or 50 days, double your money. Would you have also heard this too? And nowadays, such words are being used more for the direct selling industry. I must say, these people are not mistaken here. Who said so? Because some people present the direct selling in front of them in this way only. Come here, invest your money, and it will get doubled in 25 or 50 days. Or if this didn't happen, then a fixed amount will be credited to your bank account every month. And if we talk about fixed income, then there are a hell lot of jobs where people do not get salary on time. But using the name of MLM or direct selling, all these works are being done very easily. People usually explain in this way, like, this is the plan of our company. Such income will come to your bank account every week or every month. You just have to pay this ABCD amount just for once for your joining. Isn't it great? And few days ago we made a video with the title Difference Between Direct Selling and Pyramid Scheme. So if you haven't seen that video, then the link of that video is in the description box of this video. Just follow the link and watch the video first, because after that you will get many more answers to your questions. And very soon another video is coming for all of you, in which you will know the difference between schemes and scams. Perhaps you will find these two words alike or similar, but there is a lot of difference between them, and soon you will get to see that video on our channel. Now let us return to our topic, and we were talking about doubling the money. If you look around yourself with a little attention, you will find frauds in every industry, and wrong people are almost everywhere. Direct selling industry is an opportunity for a common man to become a special person with their hard work. But some very smart people use this business model in a wrong way and collect a huge amount from people by trapping them in their scams. And they disappear overnight. Now the person who has put his money under such schemes, in his only greed, that person and even those people who were planning to become rich by resorting to shortcuts, suddenly when they come to know that someone has gone and fooled them, then they often said that, oh no, now understand that this is the MLM, network marketing, or the direct selling, whatever they say, they are all thieves. And one should never join this industry. I think you must have heard this too sometimes. When you are going to show the plan to the people, because we have heard this so many times. By the way, if you also heard such things from the people like us, then type YES, yes, in the capital letters in the comment box just right now. And to be very honest, I sometimes think that the person who did scams, how perfectly they planned everything. Actually, how smart and intelligent he could be. Not only that, he uses his skills in a wrong way so that he can earn a lot of money in shortcuts. But the hidden reality is that karma pays back. As you sow, so you reap. Let us now answer some of your questions that people ask you whenever you go out and show them your business plan. By the way, this complete video is also available in Hindi language, whose link is also available in the description box of this video. People who have some difficulty in understanding the English language, they can watch the Hindi videos. So let's start with the very first question, that what people will ask you often here. First one is, MLM is useless because these people are thieves and run away after taking your money. For this, you have to answer that direct sellers are not the thieves. But some companies use direct selling concept. They were doing scams, means invest money and make money from money, while direct selling industry is not money making business. There are also those people who do not want to be mistaken here and think that I should invest some money in this company and will make more money from my invested money. So if this has happened to you, it means that you have never worked in any of the direct selling company or in this industry. Now, second question, whether it be direct selling or MLM, all this is fraud. So when someone asks you this, then in such a situation you have to explain and tell them that the government of India has launched the direct selling guidelines in 2016, and if any of the direct selling company has to work in this industry, then they have to follow those guidelines. Well, we have made this work a bit easier for you. We have shared the PDF of these guidelines in Hindi and English languages on our Telegram channel. So you can download it from there and you can join us on our Telegram channel from the link given in the description box. And if you wish, then you can also read them. And if not, then you can watch our videos that we have already converted the direct selling guidelines into 6 video series in Hindi, and soon as the same 6 series of video is going to be uploaded in English language on our YouTube channel Tegunity Academy, means on this channel. And you know, when you read these guidelines, you will yourself understand that government has written about what is direct selling and what is pyramid scheme. Well, just think, if the direct selling industry is a scam, then why our Indian government had made guidelines on direct selling industry? I think this is just a matter of common sense. Now, third question is, this MLM is a useless business. All you have to do is to add new people here. So you know that you should answer them that if connecting people is really a bad thing, then everybody is doing something wrong in their life. For example, if you have ever seen a job which people found safe and secure, you have noticed that a lot of people work on it. There is a sales team, marketing team, and recruitment of new employees are also done there, because we always had to keep on adding new people in the organization. Otherwise, you won't have a team. Or if the team is not formed, then you won't be able to give a kickstart to your work. So in the same way, what you are thinking about adding new people in the direct selling business is actually the team building process. The bigger your team is, the bigger your business will be. And you will learn this skill of team building in this business only. Now, fourth question is, people usually ask this. I know the MLM products are useless because if they were really good, then why they are not being advertised on TV or internet? Here you have to answer them. Firstly, product quality does not have a link with the advertisement of the products, because if the company is not promoting its products, it doesn't mean that their products are worthless. And in direct selling, only the distributors are the promoters. Direct selling companies do not promote the products of the company from advertising, as their advertisers are their distributors who promote this product using mouth-to-mouth publicity method, and they take the financial benefits for the sales itself. Now, fifth question is, companies with MLM model are all fraudulent. Their target is to trap as many people as possible. So for this, you can answer the person next to you, and you have to tell them that the focus of direct selling companies is to reach out to as many people as possible, because more and more people have differences in their statements and in their approaches. There is a direct process in direct selling. Like, this is the product, and if you like it, then obviously you are going to promote it, and if you do not like the product, then you will not going to promote it. In simple form, if you like the product and you are promoting it, then obviously you will get money for that. And if you do not like the product and you are not promoting it, then obviously you are not going to get paid for that. Now, you can also give an example to such people like, sir and ma'am, it doesn't matter how rich a person or poor he is, everyone needs soap to bathe in their houses, and they obviously need cooking oil for cooking their food. Now, all these household items, either you can take from traditional market or you can go for the direct selling. Only brands will change by that, but the work will remain the same, and some extra income will also come to your houses. I don't think if there is a person with too much money, will he melt the gold and cook from it? Of course not. He must also take cooking oil for cooking. Now, oil can be anyone, whether it be mustard oil, olive oil, or coconut oil. It's up to his choice. Now, the situation here is that there are some companies in the direct selling industry, especially those who came to work with the motive to earn some more money, and obviously their quality of product is obviously third class. Now the companies who are working in such a way are the wrong, but not the direct selling industry is completely wrong here. This is because some companies are doing and using the direct selling method or model, but in reality they are not the direct selling companies. Here you can explain one more thing to the people, that nowadays you must have seen or you may receive some fake calls, like someone will call you and they were talking that I'm calling from ABC Bank and your KYC has to be updated. So an OTP will come to you and you have to tell this to us. All the work will be done on the call only. And if you share your OTP with them, then obviously they will empty your bank account. So does it mean that all the banks are fraudulent and we are not going to keep our money in the banks? Or it was your mistake that you didn't have a proper knowledge that no bank will update your KYC on any call, due to which your financial loss has happened, and this was entirely done by yourself because it was your mistake, because you do not have the proper knowledge. And in same ways, because of some wrong companies, you cannot call the direct selling industry is entirely wrong. Now the sixth question, that this MLM is a useless thing, only illiterate or 10th and 12th failure fellows work here. This is not the business for the educated people like us. So now here you have to tell them the names of some of your known people who are working in Indian or international levels. Those are working in direct selling industries. They must be from your company or from some other company, because the truth is that there are millions of people in direct selling industry who are well educated and are on higher levels in direct selling industry. You must have seen that there may be some doctors, some are the lawyers, some are IAS, and some are the professors. And there are so many other people. Now some of them might be your team members also. So just tell them about those people. At least you must give a little introduction to them. Now, seventh question is, doing a job is always better than doing MLM or direct selling, because here we get fixed salary. So in such situation, you have to tell them that of course a fixed salary comes in job, but it comes as long as you are doing that job. But here, have you noticed that how many thousands of people had lost their jobs in this pandemic situation last year? Whereas on the other hand, people who worked in direct selling with their jobs were relieved that at least they have two sources of income. That is why if you are doing a job, then it is very good. But in today's time, it is more important to have multiple sources of income. And this is the advantage of direct selling business, that you can do it in part-time, and the ladies of the house can also do this business. And just like there, you will get fixed salary as your job. And I surely knew that you didn't notice that. To get that fixed salary, you have to work for fixed time intervals for 30 days or a month. Isn't it? Or maybe you have to work more than that. And in the same way, you will have to give some fixed working hours to your direct selling business as you were giving in your job. And surely you will get some fixed income in the month end here too. Now some people will say there is also promotions in the job. So here you have to explain to them that whatever your post could be in your job, and no matter how big your salary or your income or your package is, but there is always a limit to your income. But in direct selling business, there is no limit. With your consistent hard work, you can cross all the limits of your income. But you have to do the work, as you won't get anything without working here. Eighth question is, products in direct selling are much costlier than the traditional market. So in this situation, it is also true to some extent that people say about the direct selling companies, because some companies sell their products overpriced. Well, yes, their products do not have the power, but the price is as if they are giving you the supplements in a gold-plated bottle. In such a situation, you have to tell them that these mistakes are of those companies, because they who do this just to earn some more profit, but not all companies are doing so. Now you must be thinking how one can distinguish and identify which product is good and what is overpriced. Well, I have a solution for this too. Well, this solution is not 100% working, but it will definitely be very helpful for you. So just assume that your company makes omega-3 capsules, and omega-3 capsules will also be found in the traditional market. So compare the product of direct selling with the product of the traditional market, and by comparing we means compare their ingredients. For example, if you check the nutritional value of omega-3, then two items are more important, that is EPA and DHA. Now you have to compare them both. What is the price of the product and how much EPA and DHA you are getting in per capsule or serving. And in this way, you can compare the price of both the products. Believe me, it is a very easy way and it will definitely help you to choose a better from them. Now the ninth question, when you can sell products by advertising them on TV or on internet by keeping them in the shops and malls, then why it is needed to create a direct selling company or to sell products from MLM? Here you have to explain to your prospects that no matter how good a product you make, you always have to spend crores to sell that product in the traditional market, which is not possible for everyone because everyone doesn't have crores in their pockets. And the traditional market is operated through the credit system. This is one of the great problems of this market, as credit system means if you are a producer in the market and you want to sell your product, then you surely have to keep it in malls or shops, and you have to give all the goods in credit to the shop owners. And if the goods were sold, then only the shop owner will give you money, otherwise he will not going to pay anything. Whereas in direct selling, when people like the product, they go out and promote the product by themselves, and the amount that will be spent on the advertising is transferred to the bank account of the promoters as their income. And if the product of the direct selling company is really valued for money, then that money of direct selling can create a bigger turnover than the company of the traditional market, which earns multiple crores by putting the crores in advertisement of this product. So in the end, the clear message is for all of you that the direct selling industry is not a money-making scheme or machine where one can join and can think, now I want my account filled with money, otherwise I will get angry and will start blaming the industry that this is the wrong industry. Well, direct selling business is like a normal traditional business. Like some particular knowledge and skill you need to do a traditional business, of course, you also need some skills to do a direct selling business also. And believe me, your upline and your company's management will teach you all those skills free of cost. So understand that the direct selling industry is not wrong at all. Just some companies are wrong in this industry, and also those people who took shortcuts to become rich. And so they invest their money in any of this scheme. So if you have seen the entire video and still feel that the direct selling industry is useless, then you please stay away from this industry. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. This is Divya from Tegonity Academy. We are bringing some more amazing videos for you. So if you are interested in watching, then you better know what you have to do. So see you soon in a very new video. Till then, goodbye. Jai Hind.